Welcome to our guide on how to create split templates in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. In the invoice queue, select the invoice for which you need to create the split by utilizing the Split Invoice Across Businesses function. After creating the split, access the drop-down menu. Select Save Split Template from the options. Add a name for the template and save it. The new template will store the split amounts as percentages, automatically applying them to future items that use this template. You can access the template from the same drop-down menu whenever needed. To delete a split template, hover over the template name in the drop-down and click the trash can icon, and there you have it. You have now learned how to create and manage split templates in Docyt, enabling efficient and consistent expense management across various modules. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.